guys, so sorry about the background noise and welcome to a way better channel that I'll be able to log into. So today we're playing the really easy obbies. Let's see how easy this really is. A little too easy right now. I'm actually in my bed recording this and my mic is kind of in front of me, just sitting there. And so, that was a lie, and, basically I'm using my computer's mic, so, yeah. Oh no! What have I done? Nah. I used the thing said, wait, what's the description of this anyway? I'll have to read it. To the description. Supposed to be the description. Let's go. Sorry, background noise, but new obstacle. VIP available in store. Press Q and E. Change FOF. What? What's an FOF? I passed the rainbow stairs. Does it say don't look down. I'm looking down. That's what the level's called, so I'm looking. That was a stupid idea. I thought I could just die and go back. I hate this game. It is not easy. It's hard. Well, kind of it. Okay, will I die if I... Well... Hello. What? Of course not. Of course I'm wrong. It's a jump. Ooh, we can go where she's standing. I'll go over your head. Thank you. I barely remember the pattern. Told ya. Barely. Ooh, it's here and then jump. Somewhere here is like a Okay, I thought this was easy, but let's go find easy obby. Here we go. The easy obby. I know what this ad is for. I just seen other ads. This is the one I joined last, so that one. Because this is fidget spinners with eyes, and he just spawned and launched me inside the fidget spinner. I'm scared. And plus fidget spinners for 2018. I'm in 2017. No questions. There is no music. There's a load. Say what? I'm pressing load to make sure this How? Bacon hair. Can you stop, please? At least I'm older than you because I was born in 2007. Boy. That was a close one. Okay, here we go. Boing, boing. I have a lot of questions about you. Wait, I wasn't supposed to say that. Run past up. Why are so many AFK people? Boing, 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 boing. Ah! I'll close my eyes. For a second, I thought this was invisible blocks. Neek. Neek, I mean, yeet. Ugh. Yap yap. Oh, jeez, no. Isn't this supposed to be tycoon music anyway? It's usually used for tycoons. Forest. If the owner was in the game, I'd be asking for admin. And what if he said, okay, fine. He joins the game. I start asking for admin, and the first person who asks get it. Wait, well, this is way too easy. I have to be honest. And also, I know a trick up my sleeve for this. It's this one. Wait, can you guess what this one? I wonder. Don't think you can, actually. Where'd that other guy go? He didn't tell me the answers. Thought so. Easy. If I just respawned back at the start. This obby is not easy. Hey guys, this was a pretty short video for my real channel that I can actually log into. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do a video on the new speedrun, which is the one I'm playing right now, then I will. But you guys have to make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Make sure to go subscribe to Blue Domino. His link will not be in the description, guys. Sorry, I just haven't found his channel yet. So, guys, if you want to get the notification bell, you gotta subscribe and all that. And also, guys, I have some things to say. So, if you guys want me to record with Squid, it's rare, but Creator. It's kind of rare because he's always out of town and stuff, usually and stuff. And then, but I play Squid a lot, so not Squid, Blue Domino a lot. So if you guys want me to record with him, that'll be fine. But I can't do it today because I will be out of town visiting some of my cousins. So, and then and if I did do a video, it would be teaching one of them how to play Roblox. Which is gonna be hard, which they pretty know how to play Roblox, but I haven't taught them everything. So yeah, and guys, if you want to go check out Blue Domino, then that's all you gotta spell. It's Blue Space Domino, and you will be able to go find him. And his profile pic is actually a blue domino. And Creator's channel is coming out very soon. He hasn't made it yet. He hasn't got all the things he's using to record. For now, I'll tell him that he can use this one, the one that I use for now, but he's gonna need a mic or something, or his computer has to come with the mic. And sorry about the background noise, but there was barely any. So I really hope you guys really like this video. If you want me to do more where I try out these random games, then fine, I will. But we need 1,000 likes if you guys want that. And also, if you guys want me to, I'm working on a series called What is Life, and the first one's going to be What is Life Jailbreak. I won't be recording with anyone, unless it's just these random people. So, yeah. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. How do you hit the notification bell? Well, subscribe and a bell will be right next to it. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Bye. Bye.